On October 10, Buick Regal officially introduced the Obsidian Black Racing Package, along with the exclusive Racing Red Sports interior. Purchasers of this package can unlock the interior color for free. The official price is 7,899 yuan, with a limited time discount of 3,000 yuan. The newly released Obsidian Black Racing Package includes an Obsidian Black front grille assembly, a parametric matrix Obsidian Black center grille, an Obsidian Black Racing rear wing, smoked aluminum alloy wheels, and wing-shaped carpet lamps. The rear wing integrates with the trunk design to optimize the vehicle's aerodynamic performance. The smoked black wheels have a unique shape and deep fascia, and the wing-shaped carpet lamps cover the footwell when the doors are open. The Regal was developed based on GM's global platform for mid- and premium vehicles. Its dimensions are 4,913, 4904 mm, 1863 mm, and 1462, 1461 mm, with a 2,829 mm wheelbase. It features a front-engine, front-wheel drive layout. The cabin features an enveloping, integrated design, a floating center console integrated with technological features, soft leather upholstery on the footwells, and French double-stitched honeycomb leather upholstery on the door panels. In terms of power, the 28T Enjoyment Edition is equipped with the 8th generation EcoTech 2.0T variable cylinder turbocharged engine and a 9-speed manual transmission, producing a maximum power of 174 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 350 Nm, with a torque output range of 1,500 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. The 25T Super Enjoyment Edition is equipped with the 8th generation EcoTech 1.5T 4-cylinder direct injection turbocharged engine and the same transmission, producing a maximum power output of 124 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 250 Nm. Chassis-wise, the vehicle utilizes large full-frame subframes and hydraulic bushings, in line with European-style sport tuning, and is equipped with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with shift paddles, ESP electronic power steering, electronic gear shifting with ETRS buttons, and a sport mode selection function.